Hi guys, today we are making CBD face masks and you can make these in the comfort of your own home. All you're going to need is some CBD isolate, some orange juice, some honey, and is that a banana in your pocket? Because that's the last ingredient we need. Let's get this rolling. Okay, so first off, we've got the banana. All we're going to do is mash up half of this little fella into a bowl, so fairly easy. So let's peel that banana. I mean, some people open bananas a bit weird. This is the way. So grab half of that banana, slap it in a bowl, and then just mash that up. So once you have your banana mashed, it should look a bit like sick, which doesn't look appetizing at all. But this one I prepared earlier. Okay, so now all we're going to be doing is measuring out our CBD isolate, which is essentially crystal form of CBD. You can get this pretty much anywhere online if you just Google CBD isolate, and I'm pretty sure quite a few websites will pop up. And in terms of strength, we're going to be making this face mask 200 milligrams, so that is 0.2 grams of isolate. So let's measure that out and then dissolve this in the orange juice. Okay, so now you've measured out your CBD isolate, we're going to be giving the orange juice essentially a hot water bath, and that will allow us to dissolve the isolate into the orange juice. So let's get that started. Okay, so we've got our kettle boiled, we've filled a little beaker. All we're going to do now is add 1 tablespoon of orange juice into this little shot glass. Hopefully not spill it everywhere. Go. You might want to actually get something a bit bigger than a shot glass, because you do need to sort of stir this mixture to make sure it is diluted. And all you do, pop in your isolate, and then pop it in the hot water bath and give it a stir until it is fully dissolved in there. Okay, so once your isolate is fully dissolved in your orange juice, all you're going to do is add this to the mixture and then add a teaspoon of honey. So let's add it in and see what happens. So there's your orange juice. And then just pop your honey in, give that a good mix, and then the mixture is ready to put onto your face. So let's do this, see how this goes. And when you're applying this, if you have lumps in your mixture, it's not a big issue at all. You don't need to worry about that. So you may be wondering, why would you ever infuse CBD into something like a face mask? Well, you've got 2 pretty big factors. So it's good for hydration of the skin, and also it is a very powerful antioxidant. So basically it's just good for your skin in general. Hopefully it will knock off a few years for you. Okay, so we've got our mixture done. All we have to do now is pop this on our face and then leave it for about 15 minutes. And I believe I've actually got the pleasure of putting this on myself. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so we're just going to apply a fairly thin layer. If there's any lumps, you don't have to worry about that. Lumps are fine. Oh, it's so cold. There we go, I'm covered in banana, orange and honey, and we can leave this 15 minutes and then wipe it off. Don't worry if it goes in your mouth, it doesn't actually taste that bad. So we'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been the 15 minutes. My face is extremely tight, and as we all know, the worst part about facials is the cleaning up. So let's wipe this all off and see how the skin looks. So we're all done with the cleanup and my skin is feeling rather smooth and hydrated. So if you want to give this a go, we will make sure to leave a recipe in the description. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a good day, guys.